Hello, going to be late night, so straight we'll go to the video. So, end of this presentation is a today topic about the dividends. Uh, so we'll speak about that, and these are the other areas we're touching on. And then what next? So with this straight, I'll go to the video. So want to summarize this presentation in around 5 minutes. Like people want to watch less than 10 minutes, though they want to make a lot of money, but they want to watch or learn, which is one pager or less than 5 minutes. Or if somebody is like that, so this presentation is for you. So, but I would say like please invest some time in the deep R&D or also basic research, because it's very risky, or else you'll be the easiest target to get cheated. Okay, so with this, let me straight jump on here. So here the numbers are there. So there are, like, even the next week or next 2 days, there are about 30 to 40 companies which are declare the dividends. So what we have done here is we have just pulled out certain companies which are high quality companies, good for trading, good for investing, and also giving dividend which is extraordinary. Like extraordinary means any company which is has the capability or which is actually giving a dividend of more than 1% is really good company. Okay, but certain company, to really cheat the investor, they will try to even get a loan and give you 1% dividend. So that is where you have to check the fundamentals. So with this, let me just quickly brief about certain companies apart from the dividends. So I will not, best interest of time, I don't want to touch all the stocks, so quickly I'll go through it. So REC is a Rural Electrification Corporation company. So it's a government of India company, extremely very high dividend paying company. Sometimes they are given even 7-8%. Okay, so there's another company called Coal India. They give 10% dividend. So these are the company which you have to take into consideration, keep it in your mind, and then you have to play this company, play the market according to these dividends. Okay, so having said that, don't get carried away only by the dividends, because on the date of dividend, these companies, for example, REC is around 129, it may fall like 4-5 rupees on the day of the dividend. It is June 12. And one more thing, like I put it in the Twitter directly. I opened the Twitter here. So this is heading is today or tomorrow, but sorry, but certain people June 12th kind of yeah, so if you buy it on Monday, you will not be getting into your actual CDSL or NSDL account. So you will not be getting the dividends. So June 14th. So these companies you can try. So even if you buy it on Monday, yeah. So but this one was posted in the morning itself. So those who have watched the things, we just advertised it in the morning itself. So they would have enjoyed it, whoever invested. For others, sorry, but still you have got a whole host of stocks, and big dividend stocks are also here. So with this, like Shesha is a paper company. It's in the Tamil Nadu. So it's a good company in terms of fundamentals. Very good company in terms of profit margin. Zero debt company. VST is a cigarette company. So somewhere around good 1.5 to 2.5 dividends also they have given in the past. So now I think this is some kind of, usually this company give us around 3%. So this time you are getting this one 1.5. Sensor is a technology company, IT related small company. So like, but a very high quality company with zero debt again. So I keep saying this because like you have to cherry pick these kind of companies. Like in the, like I don't know, lecture was 5,000 companies are there, but that 1,000 companies are good, but you have to do a deep research to get this kind of 1,000 like 500 to 1,000 companies are there. You have to get into that. So Reddington is kind of companies, like they have the franchisee for the Apple, so the Apples and service the, and TCS, you know, for the TCS primarily enterprise, it's a truly enterprise. They have a whole host right from the medical to the completely non-related finance, and then lending to the big players in the finance as well as the retail. So Bosch, the car service, the kind of the washing machine, so on and so forth, and the famous Mahindra and Mahindra Ashok Leyland, you would have been seeing this in the roads everywhere. So look at the dividends. Mahindra is giving somewhere around 2%. So this is about it's around 6 minutes now already. So let me just quickly go on to what happened to the today calls, which is also there in the agenda. So this is about the call today. Sorry, this is a call today, so I'll just pass it here. I don't want to boost where I gave a call, it became positive. So you can see all these things. It was somewhere around 7:30 it was given. So around you harvested some profits here with this one, and this one was a high risk one. So both are linked. So this one is a kind of a stop loss buy. So even in this somewhere around 120 points, 120 points means like 1 lot to buy, you need to have invested around 52,000 rupees, and 120 means 1,200 rupees profit should have been made or would have been made. So at the same time, like we just captured it minute by minute, second by second, such that this one was out, and then we just gave it at what time to come in, come get out, and again get out. So this is a kind of a hand holding which we can help people who are interested. And with this trade, we will move on to the kind of the disclaimer. 1, 2, 3. Please go through it, and then the quality can be enhanced when you watch it through this mode. And again, I don't want to force market, so we just want like to do this job of spreading financial literacy at the same time in enterprises model, so that we are not dependent on certain kind of funding. So kind of a self-funded model. So we have got some deep discounts when we hand the whole business, and even when we are cross-selling it, we want to give maximum discounts and offers to the customer. We just pass it, or else take a printout and deeply have a look at it. So something somewhere you will be getting a product which is required for you. So with this is about the slight section to that one, and the agenda. So today calls I spoke, and even the entire this week calls you could have seen here. So we did mention a lot of things related to everyday kind of a thing, like what do you say, like based on this last 1 week you could have seen our presentations here. So most of it, that's where like I can tell, you can watch the video and then correspondingly everything will be in the chart, so you can check it out. So what happened to our charts, and at the same time it will be little bit confusing, that's where or else maybe difficult for you to follow. So that is where we'll put it in the Twitter, and then you can transparently try and track it what's happening. So like this, something like this. So that's a plan we have. So we will do that one. And the next video, what the next video is something like we'll be some the commodity market ends around 11:30. So the intraday commodity markets end somewhere based on the broker. So some of the broker which we deal with, somewhere around 11 o'clock they are ending it. So we would be making every day somewhere live around, not around, at 10 11:15 to 11:30 we'll be there. So like this, and then we will update it, and you can get the information, something like what happened to the post market, and also something not pre-market, something called pre-market. So that would be the video which will be posted tomorrow, which means like for the Monday market, pre-market usually happens like 8 o'clock, but we are going to post it on the one night before. So it will be called as a pre-market, but we will make it in such a way this pre-market will be very very useful when you go to the trading for the action, because morning 8 o'clock making the video is little bit difficult based on the work schedule which we are having. Extremely sorry for that, but still we want to give you the market pre-market update. So that is the intentions we have. So thank you very much. So we will catch you around with the next video. Thank you. and please subscribe and also share if it is useful. Thank you very much, and